Welcome to this PHY 1000 tutorial. We have a question, a very good question, multiple choice. A skier leaves the end of a horizontal sky jump at 22 meters per second and falls 3.20 meters before landing. It's like you leave something from there, then before landing somewhere there. Okay, this is a person with a skier. All right, and he's coming, meaning the height here is negative, so it is decreasing. So this would be negative 3.2 meters because the guy is decreasing, is what is landing, is falling. All right, now one thing that you need to understand is that the skier has initial velocity, which is 0, of course, and the final velocity is 22 meters per second. What other thing do we need to know? It's acceleration. The value of acceleration, right, in the y, will it be positive or will it be negative? Remember that the person has taken a negative an acceleration in the vertical direction. This would be a negative g. All right. So which equation of motion are we going to use to calculate the time taken? Because we are looking for how far, all right? Neglecting the friction, how far horizontal does the skier travel? So we need to find the time of flight. Then this time of flight is going to help us find the distance. Okay, so can we do that? Right, sure. All right, so here's what we do. Okay, so we can use this equation of motion to find the time of flight. Initial velocity t, then we're going to have plus 1 over t, then acceleration is actually g, then multiplied by t. You remember this equation, isn't it? Okay, let's plug in what we have now. Because the person is falling, so this would be negative 3.2. Initial velocity is 0, so this would be negative 1 over 2 because g is negative, and this would be 9.8, and t we don't know, it's squared there, meaning our t is equal to, our t will be equal to the root of, so 2 is multiplying this, so we have 2 multiplied by negative 3.20 over negative 9.8. So what do we get? You can pause the video. So I'm getting 0.81 seconds. So this is just the time it has taken. So now what is the actual distance? All right, how far horizontally? So from there to where the person lands, that's just the range, and that range, which is just distance, is given by what? Velocity multiplied by time. And the velocity we are talking about is the one which is 22 meters per second, and the time is 0.81 seconds. And what we get, you can pause the video please. So I'm getting 17.8 meters. And when you come to the solutions, we have A 9.8, 22, 12.2, 14.3, 17.8. So D is our correct answer. See ya.